Welcome back to the Be Chic Studio. We are going to be using the IOD Painterly Rose stamp tonight. I picked up some of these linen sashes from Michael's and I wanted to show you how beautiful these are. They're very, very shabby chic and I can't wait to get started. So whenever you use the IOD stamps, just remember they're pretty tough taking them off for the first time. You want to prep them with some sandpaper, go back and forth, up and down, and then you're ready to start. This stamp is kind of set up so that you have a background and then another stamp that you'll go over it for detail. The brayer is going to be the best tool to use. You're going to get an even coat over the stamp and you'll get a great impression. Do remember when you use Country Chic, you got to move fast because it is fast drying and it's such a light layer that you're putting on. You don't want it to dry out before you can get the impression on your project. IOD has done a beautiful job making sure that the distressing is in the stamp so that you don't have to work so hard going back and distressing a bunch. I plan to complete 4 different sashes tonight and making them into ornaments. So basically I'm going to use Country Chic Paint and a brayer, go over it using the different layers. There's the single layer and you can see from here there's tons of distressing on it. Makes your job so easy, and then you layer with the detailed one. I'm going to use Vintage Cupcake and Cherry Blossom and layer them with light and dark and dark and light. Depending, I wanted to get a variation of different colors. So I'm going to apply the base, which has all this distressing on it. And I know I keep saying that, but I'm super impressed, guys. This makes it so beautiful and authentic looking. I don't know about you, but that is impressive. I seriously think this is so cute. These are going to be awesome ornaments on my tree. The layered rose look, I just can't get past it. It is so pretty. Oh my gosh, look at that, guys. You can see all the different dimension, the distressing, the layers. Super impressed. I think this is just so beautiful. So let's recap a little. You're going to put your paint on the bottom layer. That's the solid kind of splat look. And then you'll take the other stamp and put it on top of it. I hope that's making sense. So you'll see that I pressed it down and then pulled it back off. I'm going to keep doing that to all of them. And then once I get done with that, it will be time to go to the next step. I for sure can't forget the leaves. My goodness, that would be a catastrophe. Use the Country Chic Wild Clover. I just can't stop using this color. It's just beautiful. I definitely made sure that I off-centered each rose. That just makes it look more like kind of shabby. So the next step, I got some batting at Walmart, just paid a few dollars for it, and my goodness, you use hardly any of it. But all you do is put it in and then close them. They are so cute. Look at these guys. I love them. I think I need a thumbs up for that.